Okay, so for today, we will tackle age problems. So sa age problems, usually ginagamit to sa mga UPCAT, sa mga college entrance test, and sa board exam din. Okay? So we will tackle age problems. So uh, tatalakayin natin kung paano isolve si age problems effectively. So using algebra and other methods na pwede nating uh, mabigyan ng solusyon. Okay? Sige, si age problems, it can be solved algebraically. So, kapag nagsosolve tayo ng age problems, usually mag-generate tayo ng equation based dun sa problem na nabanggit. So, dapat aware tayo sa mga time denominations natin. Let's say, for example, ano po ba si time denominations? Siya po si past, present, and future. So, yung mga keywords or some keywords, so meron tayong past, which is years ago and was, present, which is and now, future in n years or in 5 years, yan yung example, in 10 years, in 2 years, so on and so forth. So, aside from that, meron din tayo na younger and older. Kapag younger, that is subtract, and older, that is i-add natin. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung kailangan natin tandaan kapag nagsasolve tayo ng age problems. Sige, to understand this, so let's solve magsasolve tayo ng mga examples. Sige, problem number 1. So, meron tayong problem dito. Let me read it first. So, sabi, Mary is 13 years younger than Anne. If the sum of their ages is 39, determine the age of Mary. So, ang pinakaunang gagawin, i-generate natin yung equations. So, isa-isay natin. So, yung naka-box, Mary is 13 years younger than Anne. So, paano natin i-convert siya mathematically? So, siya ay equation number 1, and then m is equals to a minus 13. And gaya nga nung sinabi natin kanina, younger is subtract, therefore a minus 13. Okay? Next, if the sum of their ages is 39, so i-add mo lang yung age ni Mary tsaka ni Anne. Since hindi mo pa alam yung age nila, yun yung maging equation to natin. That is m plus a is equals to 39. Okay? So, pwede natin substitute sa equation 1 to equation 2 para makuha natin yung isa sa mga values nila. So, meron tayong m plus a is equals to 39. Sinubstitute natin ng a minus 13 plus a is equals to 39. So, pwede natin ipag-add si a, that is 2a. Si 13, tinranspose natin sa kabila. So, 39 plus 13. So, 2a is equals to 52. Pag dinivide natin both sides, a will be 26. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung age ni Anne, which is 26. Pero ang sabi sa problem, hinahanap natin yung age ni Mary. So, pwede natin gawin, i-substitute natin or yung age ni Anne dun sa equation number 1, and then makukuha natin yung age ni Mary. So, substitute natin, that is m is equals to 26 minus 13. So, 26 minus 13, ang age ni Mary ay 13. So, yun po yung final answer natin for problem number 1. Okay? Sige, next tayo. Another problem to further understand. The sum of the ages of Mark and John is 40. 5 years ago, John's age was twice as Mark's age. Determine the age of Mark and John now. Sige, you can pause the video kung gusto nyo isolve. Okay, sige, solve natin. Sige, ang unang gagawin, i-generate natin yung equations. So, isa-isay natin para hindi magkalito-lito. So, the sum of the ages of Mark and John is 40. So, wala ka pa namang age ni Mark and John. You are just to determine. So, therefore, our equation number 1 is m plus j is equals to 40. Next, 5 years ago, John's age was twice as Mark's age. So, paano natin isusulat yan? So, equation number 2, 5 years ago, so that is past, so sasubtract natin. J minus 5 is equals to twice ni Mark's age, pero 5 years ago. So, 2 times m minus 5. Okay? So, pwede natin substitute sa equation 1 to equation 2. Pwede natin i-rewrite sa equation 1 na j is equals to 40 minus m. So, bakit natin nire-write na ganyan? Para ma-substitute natin yung value ni j, which is 40 minus m. So, ang ginawa, tinranspose lang si m sa kabila. So, that is 40 minus m minus 5 is equals to 2m minus 10. And then 40 plus 10 minus 5 is equals to 2m plus m. So, magiging 40 plus 10 minus 5 is equals to 2m plus m. That is 45 is equals to 3m. Dividing both sides by 3 para makuha yung value ni, or yung age ni Mark. So, that is 15. So, yun yung age ni Mark. So, meron tayong isa. Ang hinahanap na lang natin is si John. And we can see na kapag sinubstitute natin yung age ni Mark sa equation number 1, makuha natin yung age ni John. So, substitute natin. So, meron na tayong age ni Mark. We can solve the age of John. Substituting the age of Mark to equation number 1. So, 15 plus j is equals to 40. So, j is equals to 25. So, yung age ni Mark is 15 and yung age ni John is 25. Okay, that is for problem number 2. So, that's all for problem number 2. Let's solve one last problem. Problem number 3. Joy is 12 years older than Maricar. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. Determine the age of Joy. So, you can pause the video if you want to solve it on your own. Okay, so let's solve problem number 3. So, pinakaunang gagawin, generate the equations. So, isa-isay natin. Joy is 12 years older than Maricar. So, paano natin i-generate yan? So, equation number 1, j is equals to m plus 12. We have older, so i-add natin. Okay? 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. So, ulitin ko, 5 years ago, j minus 5 plus m minus 5 is equals to 28. Sum of their ages, 5 years ago. Okay? Kaya minus natin ng 5. So, isa-substitute natin si equation 1 to equation 2 since meron tayong value ni j which is m plus 12. So, that is m plus 12 minus 5 plus m minus 5 is equals to 28. So, that is m plus 7 plus m minus 5 is equals to 28. Pwede natin i-add si m, that is 2m. Ita-transpose natin si positive 7 tsaka negative 5. Makukuha natin is 26. So, therefore, ang age ni Maricar is 13. Pero ang hinahanap natin, yung age ni Joy. So, we can substitute yung age ni Maricar dun sa age or sa equation number 1. Okay? So, we can solve the age of Joy through the age of Maricar. So, substituting the age of Maricar to equation number 1. So, that is j is equals to 13 plus 12. So, j or the age of Joy would be 25. Okay? So, yun po si problem number 3. So, that is how we solve age problems when it comes to worded problems. Okay? So, pinakauna, generate mo yung equation and syempre, isa-isayin mo yung mga bawat statements. Okay? Carefully dapat. And you can convert that statements mathematically sa equation 1 and equation 2. Then, after that, you have to analyze kung ano yung pwedeng i-substitute natin in order to eliminate or rather in order to get the value of the other variable. Okay? Siyempre, you can assign variables into the persons na nabanggit. Let's say, si Joy, you can assign J and then M for Maricar, or you can assign X and Y, pero mas okay na lang na yung initials nila para hindi nakakalito. Okay, so that is all for age problems. You can like the video, subscribe, and also share. We have also our TikTok. You can also watch some videos there regarding our lectures. So, thank you for watching.